When it comes to maintaining your vehicle, one of the most frequently asked questions is whether the oil filter should be changed with every oil change. While this may seem like a minor detail, the answer to this question is crucial for the performance and longevity of your engine. To fully understand the importance of this step, it is essential to know the vital role of the oil filter and examine the consequences of neglecting it. The oil filter is a key component of your engine's lubrication system. Its primary function is to capture impurities and contaminants present in the engine oil, such as dust, metal debris, and other particles that can accumulate over time. If these impurities are not removed, they can damage the internal engine components and cause premature wear. The oil filter plays a crucial role in ensuring that the oil continues to function efficiently by providing optimal lubrication for the engine's moving parts. During an oil change, the old oil is drained and replaced with fresh oil to allow the engine to continue operating under ideal conditions. However, if the oil filter is not replaced at the same time, it will no longer function properly, and the new oil will quickly become contaminated by the residues stored in the used filter. This can lead to rapid oil degradation and compromise the lubrication of engine parts. Therefore, it is essential to replace the filter with every oil change to ensure the efficiency of the new oil and protect your engine's components. The general rule is to replace the oil filter with every oil change because the oil and the filter are inseparable elements in the proper functioning of the engine. Not replacing the filter exposes your engine to contamination risks, as a clogged filter can no longer effectively remove impurities. This means the fresh oil will quickly lose its properties, requiring another oil change much sooner than expected. The engine, in turn, will be exposed to premature wear. While changing the filter with every oil change is recommended, there are exceptions where it may not be necessary. For example, if you drive in severe conditions, frequent short trips, heavy city traffic, or dusty environments, it may be advisable to replace the filter more often. Additionally, if you use high-quality oils and filters, they may offer extra protection and require less frequent replacement. However, in most cases, it is best to follow the manufacturer's recommendations and change the filter with every oil change to ensure a healthy engine and optimal oil performance. Failing to change the oil filter with every oil change can lead to several risks. Firstly, a used oil filter may allow harmful particles to pass through, leading to premature engine wear. Moreover, the new oil will quickly become ineffective, reducing its lifespan and necessitating more frequent oil changes. This results in additional long-term costs and reduced engine performance. Poor lubrication can also cause engine overheating, unusual noises, and decreased vehicle power. Additionally, poor lubrication can lead to increased fuel consumption, as engine components will not operate efficiently. Choosing the right oil filter is also crucial. Not all filters are created equal, and opting for a low-quality filter can negatively affect engine performance. Therefore, it is important to refer to your vehicle's maintenance manual or seek advice from a professional to choose a suitable filter. A high-quality filter will provide better oil filtration, ensuring greater engine protection and contributing to the vehicle's longevity. In conclusion, it is highly recommended to change the oil filter with every oil change. While this may seem like an extra expense, replacing the filter ensures engine protection, optimal lubrication, and an extended vehicle lifespan. Failing to do so can lead to significant risks, including mechanical damage, premature engine wear, increased fuel consumption, and an ineffective oil change. To maintain your vehicle's performance and health, it is best to follow the manufacturer's recommendations and replace the oil filter during every oil change.